The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. Sun Tzu. Soy, ginger. Thai melon. Blanch pork to purge impurity. I once buried a scorched wok as a fallen comrade. Caramelize sugar until amber. Then I slam my fist on the wok. The sugar erupts like artillery. Toss pork into caramel. Add ginger, scallion nuts, star anise, cinnamon. Stir decisively. Flavor advances like cavalry. Pour soy, dark soy, Shaoxing, water. Bring to boil, then simmer. Ketchup is coward's shortcut. We do not accept. Reduce sauce until lacquer clings. Taste. Adequate it. Adjust heat if needed. Plate glistening, Hong Shao Rou. Steam spirals like banners. Discipline tastes victorious. Consume now. Failure to obey is desertion. Dismiss!